Hello my friends, how are you and welcome in a new video on my channel. Today we will learn how to control text size on your Android phone. Let me show you how can we do that. First go to Setting, press on Display and Brightness, click on Font Size. If you want bigger text, scroll right like this. If you want smaller text, scroll left like this. That's all. If this is your first time or watching my videos, please make sure to hit subscribe to get all new videos. Also consider like, share and comment, and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.